how are we going to keep the girls on a good schedule, but not let them have a summer?
Well, we should limit device times. Like, don't just let them go wide open with devices, because then they'll get into bad habits and changes, attitudes and moods if they spend too much time
Right.
on their phones and tablets.
Once school starts back, they can't have them that much, so we should keep it.
Keep
device
it
limits
low.
We'll keep the device limits in place that we have for the most part then.
Yep, and try to come up with other things for them to do to fill their time, because they're gonna be bored if they don't have something to do.
Yeah.
So camps, picnics, stuff that you don't normally have time for.
Play dates.
Yeah, that kind of stuff.
Get together with friends. Outside time.
Distract them from the fact that they don't have their phone the whole time.
Yeah. One of the things that they like to do is stay up later when they know they don't have to be anywhere in the morning. But I think that we should modify bedtimes a bit so they still get to stay up a little bit later, feel special, but not let them just go full out, no bedtimes. We need to keep them on a decent schedule.
That, and don't let them sleep the day away either.
Right.
Wake them up in the morning regardless whether they want to or not.
Yeah. We'll let them sleep in a little bit extra, stay up a little bit extra, but not stay up super late and then sleep in super late, because that will be so much harder when it's time to get ready for school again.
Yeah, it'll be terrible when school starts back up.
Yes. I also think that we should take some time to declutter their rooms a bit and help them reorganize. Their rooms have gotten really messy. We need to go through their clothes, make sure that we get the stuff out of it that doesn't fit them anymore. Make room for their new school clothes. Clear off Abby's desk, because there's no way she can do homework on it the way it is right now. Get it ready so that they have calm, organized rooms before school starts, instead of this jumbled mess where they've got to find room for their new school clothes. They've got to find room to put their new school supplies.
And we need to know what to buy.
Right.
What fits, what doesn't fit.
Right.
What supplies do we need more of?
Yeah. So once they've done that, we'll have a better idea of what they need and what they don't need. Their rooms won't be such a mess. It'll be easier to find things.
Sounds good.